To fix your Shopify payments account is on hold. Start by understanding why it was put on hold in the first place. This is usually due to suspicious activity, high-risk transactions, or incomplete account information. First, review your account information to ensure it is complete and accurate. This includes your business and personal details, as well as your tax identification number. Make sure all the information matches the details on file with your bank and government records. Next, check your transaction history for any suspicious or high-risk transactions. This may include a large number of orders from a single customer, orders with different billing and shipping addresses, or orders from high-risk countries. You will also need to verify your identity and business by providing required documents such as a government-issued ID, proof of address, and business license. These documents can be uploaded to your Shopify account or sent to Shopify support. Another step is to resolve any pending issues or disputes. This may include responding to customer complaints, resolving chargebacks, or addressing any other issues that may have caused your account to be put on hold. If you have taken all the necessary steps and your account is still on hold, contact Shopify support for assistance. They can review your account and provide guidance on what additional steps you need to take to resolve the issue. To prevent your account from being put on hold in the future, make sure to regularly review your account information and transaction history, and address any issues promptly. It is also a good idea to set up notifications for suspicious activity and to monitor your account closely during peak sales periods. By following these steps and taking proactive measures to protect your account, you can resolve the issue and get your Shopify payments account reinstated. Remember to always follow best practices for managing your Shopify account and to stay up to date with the latest security measures to prevent your account from being compromised.